I don't know what kind of a video I might make, but something I noticed here, which I think is kind of interesting, is that even though shot with the same camera, the same everything, this um, image here seems like it had a little better light than this one. So, you know, if this one's lighter than this here. So, I mean, eventually I'm tiling, and I like to do adjust levels. Command T, I'm going to transform this thing a little bit. I like to um, do color at the end, but I might do a little bit of levels adjusting right now to try to close the gap between the one on the left and the one on the right. So just a tiny bit. So I'm wanting to lighten this a little bit. So if I pull this down, you know what I'm saying? But it does all sorts of weird things there. So I'm going to just bring it in a little bit, brighten it a little bit, bring it a little bit there. Trying to even them out a bit. It's looking a little bit better. There's still some like rogue stuff in here. But even within these people, so this is a closed shape here. So this is one value delineation all the way around and all the way around here. So you're only fighting whatever the orange is value-wise and whatever the brown is value-wise. So this probably should magic wand pretty good because that white versus the orange is pretty strong. So I'll bet you like a 48 is going to work in here. So if I get the wand, and I'm going to go 48, and let's see what happens. So you want it to be strong enough that it picks some of this, the little stuff. So it's not as strong as I'd like. Let's try even stronger. Let's go full 64 and see what happens. Ooh, nice. Let's see what happens with the 64. Yeah. You know, I just what it's going to take to actually do all those little bridges there. I mean, I'm down to the pixel level on that. But 64 works for me. Let's come over here and try a 64 here. Yeah, I'm happy with that. You know, it pays to get it right though, because the print file, it's hard because you want these bits of text to be legible, and they start to muddy out with these little bridges there. You know what I'm saying? But I think I just have to come in and just start picking them out. It's kind of gross, but if you want a nice print file, you know, and basically what you're sacrificing there is the contrast that you want of actual like paper. Afford affordability crisis. Anyways, that's a lot of text, and I gotta do a French translation. Holy smokes.